Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we are going to learn how to write a picture composition. Look at this picture of two girls on the beach making a sand castle. In this we will start with very simple sentences and then we will stretch them by adding describing words and sensory details to make them even better. So what will happen? This will help the reader see, hear and feel the scene. So this is very useful video for you. So watch this video till end. Now, what do you see in this picture? Tell me the words. Girls, right? Beach, sandcastle, sea, and so on. Now, we'll start with 10 very simple sentences. These will be the short and easy, and they will just tell us what is in the picture. So, are you ready? Okay. So first, two girls are playing on the beach. They are making a big sand castle. Third sentence, the sand castle is big and tall. The girls have flowers in their hair that you can see. One girl is wearing a blue dress. Other girl is wearing a green dress. The sea has blue waves. There are trees near the beach that you can see. There are houses in the background that also you can see. And the girls are happy and smiling. Now, these sentences are clear and they are very short, but they don't tell us how much about the picture. Okay, now I will tell you how to stretch them, means these sentences, to make them more interesting. As we know, stretching a sentence means making it longer by adding describing words like adjectives or details that tell us more about what it is like. And we will also add sensory details in our sentences to make our sentences even better, because sensory details helps the reader see, hear, feel, smell or taste what is in the picture. So this will make our writing much more interesting. So are you guys ready? So let's get started. First sentence, two girls are playing on the beach. Now in this we'll add happy, sandy, golden, soft, or instead of happy we can use cheerful, sunny. So this will give or show the mood and place of the picture. So the reader can see and feel the setting. So instead of writing two girls are playing on the beach, what we can write, it is a sunny day, two happy girls are sitting and playing together on the soft golden sandy beach near the blue water. Second sentence, they are making a big castle. So instead of writing this simple sentence, what we can write, we can add happily, carefully, making or building big, beautiful, detailed, their hands and tiny tools. So this gives the action and mood and also describes the castle better. So instead of writing they are making a big castle, what you can write, they are happily and carefully building a big, beautiful and detailed sand castle using their hands and tiny tools. Clear? Next sentence. The sand castle is big and tall that you can see in the picture, right? So this is the sand castle. What extra details you can add? You can add there are towers, right? And they are pointed at the ends. So pointed towers, and this tower looks like a fairy tale. So this helps us imagine the shape and feel, right? So these are the extra details that you can add in your writing. So instead of writing sandcastle is big and tall, what you can write, the sandcastle is big and tall with many pointed towers that look like a real castle, or in place of castle we can use palace from a fairy tale. So this will help us imagine the shape and feel of the castle. Okay, next sentence. The girls have flowers in their hair. Now what you can add color and feeling, and you can describe the flowers also. So instead of writing the girls have flower in their hair, what you can write? Both girls have pretty, bright, colorful flowers tucked nicely in their long hairs or in their long, shiny hairs behind the ear, making them look even more lovely. Now you can see you can add color and feeling. So how impressive the sentence is, because it's defining the minute details like flower, where they are tucked in, right? Next sentence. One girl is wearing a blue dress. Now, what you can do, you can define the color stand out. You can define the movement. So instead of writing one girl is wearing a blue dress, what you can write, one girl sitting on the left is wearing a bright sky blue dress that flows or flutters gently in the seaside bridge and looks lovely on her. So sky blue, flutter gently, seaside bridge gives the color and mood the sentence. Next sentence, the other girl is wearing a green dress. So in this sentence, what we can add what the dress looks like. So instead of writing simple, the other girl is wearing a green dress, what we can write, the other girl on the right is wearing a green dress with the big, bright, colorful flowers printed on it. So this gives or adds pattern and details of the green dress. Instead of writing that, you can also write the other girl is dressed in a green dress decorated with big colorful flowers. So decoration printed gives or tell us the dress looks like. Next sentence, the sea has blue waves. Now you can tell how the waves move. You can describe. So behind the girls, the blue sea has gentle rolling waves that crash softly on the shore. So gentle rolling waves that crash softly add sight and hearing. Okay, and rolling describes how the waves move. See. Next sentence, there are trees near the beach. Now trees are always green in color. In your sentence, you can write tall green palm trees grow near the beach and swing gently as the wind blows through their leaves. So what does it defining? Tall green defines or describe the tree. Swing gently and wind blows add the movement and sound effect to the picture. Next sentence, there are houses in the background. Now, what you can write instead of that, a few small colorful houses can be seen in the background near the trees. So this small colorful makes the house more vivid and near the trees gives the location. See how impressive this sentence is? The last sentence, the girls are happy and smiling. Instead of that, what you can write, the girls are smiling joyfully, or instead of joyfully, what you can write, brightly. Enjoying their fun and peaceful day at the beach, feeling happy and relaxed. Now, enjoying their day, what it tell us more about how they feel. Okay, joyfully, fun and peaceful day, happy and relaxed, add emotion and mood to the picture in your writing. So did you see how much better these sentences are? So by adding describing words and sensory details, your writing paints a clearer picture in the reader's mind. Now the reader can imagine the whole scene in their mind. Okay, so what you have learned today is how to write simple sentences into the beautiful detailed writing. So what you have to remember, the 3 points. You have to start with the simple sentences, stretch with the describing words, and add sensory details. Clear? So now you can do this with any picture. I hope you had fun learning how to turn a picture into a beautiful story. Now, if you found this video useful or helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep writing, keep imagining, and keep shining. Bye bye.